at Stanford University.
It's particularly great pleasure to be welcoming you to this first graduation using this magnificent SAP Center. The goal was to create a facility which would provide an exceptional learning experience while maintaining safe and effective operations.
I have the pleasure of presenting the awards. We are fortunate this year, one of our students has won the American Chemical Society Organic Chemistry Award for an outstanding senior. This goes to Alistair Heron. To outstanding students in chemistry based on scholastic achievement in chemistry, George Fay, Stephen Ting, and Vasil Vasilev. Joy Wang in the Dye Lab. Will Falsgraf. Jovan Lopez and Joy Wang.
We will now have something that's actually not found in the printed program. I'm going to ask Debbie Murner to come up. This thing is actually a drain cover. So now we turn to the commencement speech. Debbie Murner is our speaker this afternoon. He's a tremendous contributor to our programs. He's a former chair of the department, was my predecessor, Nobel Prize winner in 2014 in chemistry. So it's with great pleasure that we welcome you and look forward to hearing what you have to tell us. Debbie.
Well, you have a great opportunity now to use what you have learned to better humankind, and I strongly urge you to use your knowledge in this way. And one wonderful aspect of chemistry, of course, is that it is really a central science. Science is not an alternative fact. Science provides truth, real facts. It's because there's a built-in way to see if a scientific statement is actually true. We use hypotheses, measurements, and fact-based analysis to observe how nature actually behaves. With a scientific method, we are able to rationally discover the natural laws that allow us to predict what will happen. That it's not a question of whether we personally believe a physical law is true or not. The fact is that physical laws are true and can be counted on to predict the future with high certainty. As Neil deGrasse Tyson said, science is true whether or not you believe it. Today, our world needs solutions to many complex problems, such as climate change, pure water, sufficient energy, good health, and so on. These problems can partly be solved by science, but support from the society at large is also required. The problem today is there are people in our world who do not understand science and who might be afraid of it. Often some do not understand the statistics that we use to be careful about what we know and what we do not know. So please ask yourself, what can you do to help with this problem? And most of all, everyone, young and old, I just want to encourage you to simply ask how something works. And if you can't not find an answer, ask a scientist, ask a chemist, ask an engineer, ask a teacher. In this way, you, all of you, can continue to take part in our journey of discovery. I know that this class contains many future great researchers and educators who will contribute to chemistry in many ways or to other fields. We all look forward to the great things that you will accomplish. Congratulations again.